God bless you. Welcome to my channel in Jesus' name. All right. So today I want to quickly show you a popular gospel movement that you can use to back up a preacher in the key of F sharp. The key of F sharp has F sharp, A flat. Sorry for the name calling. B flat, B, C sharp, D sharp, F and F sharp. All right. So the movement goes like this. Yeah, one more time. Yeah. Okay, so the left hand chord goes like this. We have a E on my left hand. I have a E, B flat, and D flat. So mi fa sa for that, and then the next chord. So we have a E flat and B. So we're in the key of F sharp, don't forget. Then the next re mi fa. So from you come from E flat to D. So you have D and B. Then the last chord, you have a D flat and B flat. So together it goes mi fa sa do so re mi fa mi re mi. Let me add let me just do okay, so yeah. So your business can go, your business can just stay on do, mi, fa, so. Yeah. The dirty talk, the la, the z, the song, dirty. So that's just it. So your business can play around that. God bless you. Click the subscribe button for more. Watch the next video. There's another next video you need to watch. God bless you. Bye.